Good morning, guys. Welcome to my abode. It's 8:45 और आज Wednesday है. That is the 27th of October. We got up little earlier than usual. 15 minutes, not. Mostly I get up at 9. So yeah, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है अभी because of course सुबह we'll be getting ready for a walk and yeah, let's get to it. पूरे दिन में और भी काफ़ी सारे काम हैं. Right. Hi guys, we are heading for the morning walk now. Quick walk रहेगा 30-35 minutes का and we are on time as of now. So I hope you all guys can hear it. वहाँ पे टेराफॉर्मिंग का काम चल रहा है. You know the world engine, if you've seen Man of Steel, दिन रात यही चलता रहता है. You know, if you've seen Man of Steel, you will know. दिन रात, yeah.
चाचा, ये सवेरे सवेरे क्या मेरे को यही देखने का है क्या?
Back from the run. Post run when I come home, मैं मेरा पहला प्रोटीन शेक लेता हूँ, which is like just half a scoop of protein shake, and you know, then I hit the shower. But always remember guys, before hitting the shower, always have one glass of water before your shower. And you know, उसके बाद में मैं मेरा breakfast खाऊंगा, which is probably 2 whole eggs, burji or omelette, whatever it is. I'll probably have that, and I'll see you at the breakfast then.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove.
So there it is guys. You must have seen, आपने देखा होगा, बुर्जी एंड रोटी. I'll show you again. ने उसका बी रोल देखा होगा, सिनेमैटिक सॉर्ट ऑफ बी रोल, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट I'll be having now. Let's see you after breakfast. ठीक है, खा लूँ मैं प्लीज़.
तो करना, परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से.
So guys, it is almost 11:45 and it is time to hit the gym. अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मैं क्या क्या कैरी करता हूँ जिम के लिए. एंड या एक छोटा सा इंफॉर्मेशन. सो आई कैरी माई प्रोटीन शेक. आई हैव हाफ स्कूप इन द मॉर्निंग, हाफ स्कूप पोस्ट वर्कआउट, क्योंकि मैं उस हिसाब से सेट किया है. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू हैव a protein shake post workout. If you have anything that has protein in it before your workout, that is still fine. It is not needed कि आप you know you take a protein shake post workout, but it is good that you eat something that has good protein content आपके workout के बाद, like probably in like half an hour to 1 hour it's better, क्योंकि muscles require it. पर अगर आपने workout के just पहले अगर लिया हो protein shake, so you know it is already being digested, so it's not that much of an urgency. पर हाँ, it is recommended के लो, but it's not a mandate thing. Okay, and अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मैं क्या सारी चीज़ें कैरी करता हूँ अपने जिम के लिए. There it is guys. ये है, these are all things जो मैं जिम में लेके जाता हूँ, you know. So let's start from the right. This is of course the backpack. एक टी शर्ट जो मैं वर्कआउट करने के लिए पहनता हूँ. दीज आर रिस्ट ट्रैप्स जो कि पुल वर्कआउट के लिए यूज़ होते हैं, मोस्टली बैक वर्कआउट के लिए. इफ़ यू गोइंग हैवी यू डोंट नीड इट इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, बट if you are trying to lift heavy then you need it. You wrap it around your wrist and this is wrapped around a barbell or a dumbbell where you hold grip ke paas. And of course a regular water bottle, depends, 1 liter 750 ml. My protein shake half scoop, my headphones of course, or sorry earphones, my socks, a dry towel, fresh towel, and a pair of shoes. All right, so these are all the things that I carry. Also guys, you know, every day when you work out or you do anything, it's not necessary कि आपको रोज़ प्री वर्कआउट या कॉफ़ी लगे, बट कभी कभार I don't take प्री वर्कआउट और I don't take coffee usually. Yes, a year back I was addicted to coffee, but
मैंने कुछ पूछा मैंने कुछ पूछा मैंने कुछ.
I mean I'm talking about black coffee. Okay? Black coffee before workout, you know, it gives you a little bit of hit. अच्छा लगता है, but make sure कि आप उसको आदत ना हो. मुझे उसकी आदत हो गई थी. The days I used to not take, it used to just mentally put me down. Otherwise जिस दिन लूँगा तो इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, because you know your body gets addicted to caffeine, or like you know your caffeine tolerance rises slowly. आपका कैफीन टॉलरेंस बढ़ जाता है, तो आपको जहाँ आप हाफ टी स्पून से स्टार्ट किए हो, आप 1 टीस्पून लोगे, फिर 1.5 टीस्पून, फिर 2 टीस्पून, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके 1 टेबल स्पून होगा. यू नो, इट जस्ट चेंजेस योर कैफीन टॉलरेंस. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज कि आप आदत मत डालो खुद को. इट्स लाइक यू यूज़ इट ओनली व्हेन इट्स नीडेड. सो टुडे आई फील दैट इट्स नीडेड. वी हैव चेस्ट डे टुडे, चेस्ट डे, बेस्ट डे as it is said. So we'll have a cup of coffee, black coffee, and then we'll hit the gym. All prepped up and ready for the gym, and we're leaving for the gym now.
चलो चलो जाके इलाज करो अपना.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
One eternity later.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there.
8:30 right now, and if I did not already say, आज Wednesday in the morning, and मैं सोच रहा था कि how do I find things to put in the blog, and luckily today Dad got a Diwali gift, and I thought why not share it with you all. After all, खुशियाँ बढ़ती है बांटने से. So here it is. It's a Diwali gift. It's a box. I don't know as of now what is it. I am guessing some edible things. And मैं सोचा आप लोग के सामने ही मैं unboxing करूँ. Okay. So let's start. This is my Swiss knife, portable Swiss knife, which I carry. I don't know. For some reason, I find it to be very cool. I guess just beautiful. The chrome finish. I don't know what you call it. Brushed aluminium finish. I guess it's very nice. Yeah, there you go. थोड़ा ASMR करते हैं. I did not cut it fully. There it is. Oh wow, fancy, huh? What are these? Some rose petals, I guess, just for okay. This is a pack of cashew nuts. This is how it's designed. Pretty nice. Okay, dry fruits basically. Bottle of almonds. जब बादाम खाने से ना याददाश्त तेज होती है. ऐसा होता तो नहीं है, बहुत खाया है मैंने. Still I end up forgetting things.
जाके इलाज करो अपना.
Bottle of raisins, kishmish, you see, yeah. And these are, I guess, what do you call it? Chilgoza, yeah. Or what do you call it? Pistachio, yeah. With the cover, I don't know what you call it. But yeah, Urdu, I guess it's Chilgoza. It tastes very nice, especially the salted ones. कुछ और है क्या? No, this is just packing, I guess. That's about it. Bunch of bottles with dry fruits, good quality, of course. Let's just try one. लगा दी नजर.
And you know what time it is?
Yes, it is guitar quiz time. So guess this one.